Hello and welcome to this Technic Force tutorial. In this video we're going to discuss how to join a room and attend a webinar with Webinarloop. There's a variety of ways to access the webinar room. From your webinar's dashboard you can go to the Actions column, and here you have an icon to join attendee room. If you click on this, it will open the login page, and once you sign in, you're automatically brought into the webinar. As the timer starts, the automatic chat feed begins, the call to action button appears, and you can type your own messages here as well. Another method of accessing the webinar room is to click on the webinar setup icon for your webinar, and right here at the top you have a button for Join Attendee Room. And again, you're brought to the login page, and once you log in, hello and welcome to this technical
The webinar
tutorial.
starts.
In this video, we're going to discuss how to create a basic webinar setup in Webinarloop. When you first sign into Webinarloop,
And the
it's
chat
a good
feed
idea to do a bit of
begins.
setup administration first. So you can
And the
start
call
by
to
going
action
your
button
profile,
appears, and you can
and
type your own
customizing
messages.
profile information. Here you can customize your profile name, email address, telephone number, and profile description. You can also The other way you can access the webinar room is when there's a scheduled or live webinar. You can send out email reminders, and here in the message body you can use a shortcode for the player link. So if you send out in your email something with the player link, so if you create an email with something like this with shortcodes for first name and player link, when you send that out either when the webinar starts or anytime before, they'll receive the email with the player link URL in their email message. And when they click on that, they'll be brought to the login page where they can log into the webinar room. And that's how easy it is to access the attendee webinar room in Webinarloop. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thank you very much for watching.